Aloha! This video tutorial will go over how to allocate your expenses individually, meaning line by line, one at a time. Upon completion of your reconciliation process in Concur, you will need to complete this step from here on out for all the reports you submit. If you have instances where your charges are going to be charged to multiple departments, you would then allocate it individually by line. So for this example, we'll start with the first one, car rental. Go ahead and click on that line that you're working with. Come down here to the right and click on Allocate. Another box screen will pop up, and in department is where we're going to change it. You'll notice this number here. Please do not allocate to that department. That is not the department that we will be spending from. Use your department codes that you're assigned. All of Ke'alapono, LIS, or Lehua folks will use 140069 as their default expense department. Enter that there. The business unit will ask you to select one of these options here. Go ahead and select the first one, KSCMP, and that's in. You do not have to worry about the project ID, and click Save. Allocations have been saved, and pretty much that's it. That's all you really have to do. You can go ahead and do the next one for parking. From here, you can go ahead and allocate that expense as well. If you noticed, once you use those codes, they'll be at the top for you to use for quicker access. So that's kind of nice. And save. So you'll get this prompt telling you that all allocations have been saved. Click OK, and you can either click Done if you're done, or if you need to complete more, you can go ahead and complete more of the allocations here. Done. In order to tell whether your items have been allocated, this symbol here that kind of looks like a ladybug will show up, and if you scroll over it, you'll see what department it was allocated to. Let's just check the second one. Yeah, so they're both good. You want to go ahead and save it. After save, go ahead and submit your report, and you're ready to go with your monthly report. Hope this helps, and hope you have a great day. Aloha.